Welcome to the funeral program site. In this video, we are proud to present our folding memorial hand fans. Our custom designed fans offers a glossy and laminated exterior with 3 panels for your personalized text and photo. Your submitted photo's background will be removed and seamlessly integrated into the fan backdrop of your choice. The 3 panels are held together by 2 golden grommets in the center for a sturdy presentation. The 2 end panels fold in conveniently to close and can be expanded by pulling on the curved knobs. Our memorial folding fan measures approximately 7 1/4 inches high by 5 inches at its widest point and offers an attractive curved shape. This serves as a popular keepsake and provides a nice breeze and slight shade during the warm and sunny days. Our personal fans are offered in many different backgrounds as well as other fan styles, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.